It is.
And Ms. Fleak, within the blue Costco bag, did you also recover what you subsequently learned was referred to as a pulse oximeter?
Yes.
This has been previously marked for identification, Your Honor. The post-its. It was LAPD item 135. You sure, or is that that? Does the court have a record of that item number for the pulse oximeter? Was it
35? Or is that just a photo?
It's a purple.
No, it's 33, I believe. If you can take a look at 33.
Yes. The court clerk has put it inside a larger bag. I'm going to write People's 33 on that larger bag, Your Honor.
Yes.
Ms. Fleak, this LAPD item 135 marked as People's 33 earlier. Is this the pulse oximeter that was found inside the blue Costco bag?
Yes, it is.
Did you also find inside that blue Costco bag a plastic bag full of various, what you described as medical debris?
Yes.
I have a sealed bag. Booked as LAPD item 136, Your Honor. May this be marked collectively marked as People's 140 for identification, the bag and its contents.
Yes.
Placing a P140 on the outside of that bag. And with scissors opening that bag. And removing the contents. Ms. Fleak, first showing you the bag, People's 140. Is this the bag in which the various medical debris was found or placed?
Yes, it is.
And going through some of these items, first an opened bag with the label XL IV administration set. Was this empty bag found within the debris?
Yes.
Showing you what is labeled a Kendall, Guard, urinary leg bag. Was this found within the bag of medical debris?
Yes.
Showing you what is labeled wide band, an empty bag with a diagram on it. Was that within the medical debris?
Yes.
Showing you these two empty 3 mil or 3M company Tegaderm transparent dressing with the label. Were these found within the bag of medical debris?
Yes, they were.
and showing you a number of various items. A 22 gauge 1-inch Gelco IV catheter, empty packaging. Was this found within the debris?
Yes.
Various alcohol prep pads, were those found within the debris?
Yes.
The Tegaderm dressing backings, was that found within the debris?
Yes.
An XL 10 milliliter disposable syringe with needle, empty packaging, was that found within the debris?
Yes.
Two individual straps, for lack of a better word, were these found within the debris?
Yes.
And a dark blue, a light blue, and an orange vial top, was that found in the debris?
Yes.
As well as possibly a needle or IV catheter cap?
Yes.
And a metal vial peelable top,
Vial top. Yes.
as well as miscellaneous plastic and debris. Is that accurate?
Yes.
Moving on, Ms. Fleak, did you also recover the light blue and brown baby essentials bag?
Yes.
And before I move on to that, do your notes reflect, one moment please, Your Honor.
Sir.
Your notes reflect that the blue Costco bag that has been marked People's 133 was LAPD item 102?
Yes, it does.
Okay. And moving on then to the baby essentials bag, the light blue and brown baby essentials bag. Was that referenced as LAPD item 103?
Yes.
I'm going to have in my hand a light blue and brown bag with the label baby essentials. May this be marked People's 141 for identification?
Yes.
I'm writing P141 on the outside of the bag. Now, did you itemize the contents of this bag, Ms. Fleak?
Yes, I did.
I'm holding LAPD item 119, Your Honor, containing two appear to be full 100 milliliter propofol bottles. Opening the bag with scissors. Taking out the two bottles. Previously marked on the bottle as LAPD item 119. May these be collectively marked People's 142.
Yes.
Placing a P142 on the glass of each bottle. Ms. Fleak, showing you People's 142, the two propofol bottles. Were these found inside the baby essentials bag?
Yes, they were.
Did you also recover 7 smaller 20 milliliter propofol bottles within the baby essentials bag?
Yes.
And in your review of the LAPD evidence, did you note that those were booked by LAPD as LAPD evidence item 120?
Yes, 120.
And I have LAPD evidence item 120 containing 7 20 milliliter propofol bottles. I'm opening the bag, removing the contents. It was previously each individually bottle labeled as 120. Ms. Fleak, now may I have these collectively marked, Your Honor, as People's 143?
Yes.
I'm going placing a P143 on each individual bottle. Ms. Fleak, of these 7 bottles now marked People's 143, Were 4 of those bottles in an unopened condition with the blue caps on them?
Yes.
And 3 of those bottles of People's 143 were opened?
Yes.
Okay. With various levels still contained within each of them?
Yes, they did have liquid in them.
Okay.
I don't remember the exact levels of these bottles.
Okay. You say this People's 143 bottle I'm holding now about 20% full,
Yes.
rough estimate. Another one a little less than half full,
Yes.
and another one 15-20% full.
Yes.
And I have LAPD evidence item 121 containing 2 lidocaine bottles. I'm opening up the package. Previously labeled as 121. Additionally, a single lidocaine bottle booked in as LAPD item 122. Opening that package, previously labeled 122. I'd ask that these 3 lidocaine bottles be collectively marked as People's 144, Your Honor.
Yes.
Placing a P144 on each bottle. Ms. Fleak showing you what's collectively marked as People's 144. Were these found inside the Big Essentials bag?
Yes, they were.
One of them has the silver cap, the peelable silver cap still intact, unopened.
Correct.
Okay. And 2 of them have the silver cap peeled off, and they appear to be opened and partially consumed.
Yes.
I'm holding LAPD evidence item 125, Your Honor, containing 3 vials of midazolam, 10 milliliter vials each one. Opening the package, they are previously labeled 125. May these be collectively marked People's 145, Your Honor?
Yes.
And I'm placing a P145 on each bottle. Again, Ms. Fleak showing you what has been collectively marked People's 145, the 3 midazolam bottles. Accurate to say 2 of these appear to be unopened with their caps intact, and one of them open with the cap removed.
Yes.
Have LAPD evidence item 124, Your Honor, containing 4 bottles of flumazenil, each one 5 milliliter in size. I'm opening the package, each one individually previously marked LAPD item 124. I'd ask that these be collectively marked People's 146.
Yes.
And I am placing a P146 on each bottle. 4 individual flumazenil bottles. 3 appear to be capped and unopened. Is that accurate?
Yes.
And one of them uncapped and majority of it consumed.
Yes.